The modern world is shaped by speed, efficiency, and constant connection. Progress is measured in convenience, and life is organized around the individual. But alongside this world exist communities guided by different assumptions, where tradition carries authority, faith structures daily life, and belonging outweighs personal choice. Alternate Journals documents these societies. Beginning with Amish, Mennonite, and Anabaptist communities, this channel explores cultures ordered by discipline, shared rules, and inherited ways of living. These are not relics of the past, nor experiments in simplicity, but carefully maintained systems shaped by belief, memory, and collective responsibility. Each journal records how these communities understand work, technology, family, obedience, and separation from the wider world, not through spectacle or intrusion, but through observation, history, and context. As this archive grows, alternate journals will document other communities that organize life outside the modern mainstream, societies governed by alternate orders, moral codes, and rhythms of time. If you're interested in understanding how different rules shape different lives, subscribe to follow these journals as they continue. These worlds are not hidden. They exist beside us, quietly unfolding according to rules entirely their own.